BJP Meghalaya in charge Dr. M. Chuba menta ka sngi ulakan tait bandon kano ka jingdawa nakaliang jongki nong yalam lane kinong kitkam ka seng Bharatiya Janata Party haka jella bakin KWAH ban WENGNOH yoba ERNEST MAWRIE nakakam kum state president jongka party. Habai kran berkilat pathai khubor nakaliang BJP Meghalaya in charge uloong bahadu mentahi ompat juyo kano ka jingdawa bakin WENGNOH yuba MAWRIE nakakam kum state president bat udas ngo kendet ru namar bayakane la juyo i tangleng ba kilat pathai khubor. Habayo apat banyakran bat uba ERNEST MAWRIE uloong ba kajing kentho ka bajui i man kapor kadai badon ki KATO KATNE ki RIEW SHIMET ki bakwa ban WENGNOH ya u nakakam kum state president jong kaseng BJP. La ban keno hangne banakaliang kinong yalam kaseng BJP na ribhoy kilami syakmat ban penpau ka jingbam sngotenat halor ka jingyalam jong state president uba ERNEST MAWRIE ya kane ka kerwo lapha do president na BJP ribhoy unit uba S Thaba badu general secretary barem uba S Rani bad ki hinre ngot kinong yalam nagathain ribhoy halor kane ka benta nakaliang uba ERNEST MAWRIE uloong ba kane ka deitang ka jing persang jong ki KATO KATNE ngot ki RIEW SHIMET ki bakwa ban WENGNOH ya u nakakam kum state president henre baro kinong kitkam nagathain ribhoy hi kim KWAH ya kane bad kidang yai kirsan ni u tat hadu menta.
Yesterday, RIEW units has said alleged that they have prepared a report regarding your failed leadership and saying that you chose the advisor post and you are not raising the issues.
You see, again, giving the press brief regarding with these issues, corruption issues. Every alternative day, it has come in the paper. I think everybody has seen that. Okay. The second thing regarding with this Riboy, we are not aware because we are having the district president, Pastor Criswell Panar, and we are having the executive committee of Riboy district, where we have not seen any allegation or anything they have prepared against me as the state president. So it is just a press statement of individual. It is not from the party. So no comment on that.
What is the demand for change of your leadership?
You see, our Pravri is here, National Vice President and State Pravri. We have not discussed that topic because that is a part of how to strengthen the organization structure. So till today we are working together as a team. We don't have anything to say. Just last month we have the state office bearer in the presence of our Pravri in charge of Meghalaya. Everything is going smooth. No complaint. But I'm very surprised to see that in the press statement, it has come from time to time that we are having some difference in the party. Actually, party is intact. We don't have any differences.
So this leadership, you see, everywhere, even our Prime Minister also criticizing. Me also criticizing. So this is a way of life.
In this context, just 11 months now for the assembly election.
I'm coming again very soon. We are going to work out together. It is not only for us alone. We have to sit with the alliance partner also. How they respect us, how they, that means we also respect them. So how to work it out.
So there will be people alliance.
Have you received any message from any dissident groups who want to remove MAWRIE from his post?
No, I have only seen the media, newspaper, print media. So I am surprised to see, and exactly President said it is an all individual democratic country. Opinion will be little bit differ, but a party is still there. Party is not dissolved. Party is still there. We are with the government right now.
Are you happy with